Hey folks, someone asked me about autism and what's the cause and how does one heal it naturally. Well, autism is caused by usually a neurotoxin affecting the nervous system. And it usually happens to youngsters, but although it can happen to older people as well. The cause is lymphatic pressure. Okay, your lymphatic system is not moving properly, so these neurotoxins, they stick around, have nowhere to go, and they damage the nerves, organ, tissue, and glands. Okay, it's very, very simple. To remove it, you have to go on 100% fruits. It's as simple as that. Because that's what's going to move the lymph system. That's what's going to get the kidneys filtering, so those neurotoxins can be eliminated. You want to rebuild the nerves, the myelin sheaths. Okay, the herbs, the nerves are what make movement possible, communication between cells possible. And with autism, there's a problem there. So you want to fix that. You want to fix the adrenals, because the adrenals also control automatic movements and the nervous system as well, and it's crucial. So you go on 100% fruits. And then you're going to use, you might even want to use a glandular. Okay, I don't normally recommend glandulars, but glandulars are important when your adrenals are down and you can't get them up and you need a boost. Use it for temporary. You also want to use herbs for the brain and nerves, the head region, upper circulation, and brain and nerve. Number 2. You want to make use of these herbs to help liberate the nervous system that's been compressed by lymph. Okay. You also want to use parasite M. This is herbs for parasites and fungus. You use it long term, make use of it with liberal amounts. Use herbs for the adrenals, kidneys, lymphatic system, endocrine system, and stomach and bowels. If you use these herbs and you stay consistent with the fruits and the berries, you're going to see great progress from this, okay? It's very, very simple. It's difficult to fix because it's a neurological issue and the damage may be deep. But if you're going on fruits, 100% fruits, and using herbs, you're going to see remarkable improvements. Okay? It's entirely up to you and how you administer the fruits and the herbs. But you can definitely heal from this. It's not impossible, and it's very doable. Just stay consistent.